guys, we're going to go after a little retro hip flexor stretch as part of your home exercise program. I just have a little portion of this foam wedge underneath my knee just due to the fact that a knee on a really hard object, the surface doesn't feel too good. So we're going after this position to open up your anterior hip joint capsule, as well as taking the slack out of your quadriceps. Your hip flexors, your quads are really tight. So we have this little chair behind us here. In the clinic, I want you to perform this exercise and how we've negotiated or agreed upon, and that's either using a chair like this or a couch and using a dowel, or performing this in a doorway in which your hands will be placed on the doorway itself with maybe a pillow or some towels underneath your knee. So we have 5 different positions for the retro hip flexor stretch. You're driving your hips forward, you're reaching overhead, you're driving your hips forward, and you're reaching overhead to the left. You're also driving your hips forward and rotating and reaching to the left. You're also driving your hips forward with the left arm reaching overhead and to the right, and driving your hips forward and rotating and reaching to the right. Those are your 5 positions. And then we're going to switch feet, switch legs. We can also do what we call kind of the kneeling instead of the retro. So kneeling is the knees just on the ground, and you're reaching and driving overhead to the left, rotation and reach to the left, reach overhead to the right, and rotate and reach to the right. So those are your 5 positions for both your retro and your kneeling hip